Have you confirmed that we have not paid? Have you confirmed? 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 Students, come! All of you come and join and visit this guy. All of you come. Don't come here. Who are you? Who are you? Get out! Get out! Get out! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Omwezi gwa July tetunakulabako gwa August bulijjo abadde just atwetolooza bwetolooza tugamba mujje ne tujjola n'atugoba naga njabba kubira biki abicha next date ne mu chattinga naye ku WhatsApp nangamba mbira tetudamu muzungirako nnyo ndekera ogenda era twadde tubivuddeko but after ekemwafe ndowooza ye n'alaba nga tekijja kukola then nasala wakikole mu ngeri bweta abayita nje mutuyambeko bayita ab'obuyinza bamukoleko.
So kati minister, I'm Asimo Gordon and a head teacher of juniors nursery and primary school. I was called to head this school by the director by the beginning of second term. Then the term closed on 23rd August. That's when we completed the term. Teachers did their work, and as a head teacher, for me, I don't pay salaries. Salaries are paid by the director, plus the bursar. The bursar is a wife to the director, and the director is a paymaster. So very many teachers are demanding their salaries. I for one, I'm also demanding salaries for 2 months. I am being given 400,000 per month. I worked for 3 months. Now I'm demanding only 2 months.